So I did it again, another back-to-back. They waived the styling fee for me, so I decided to get another one. And this one I asked for spring transitioning as well. So today we are going to unbox this newest Stitch Fix together. So let's get started. And if you are new to Stitch Fix, I do have a referral link in the description box. If you want to click on it, it'll give you $25 off for your first box if you want to give Stitch Fix a try. So let's see what's inside the box. And I'm hoping that I got Tammy again because I have been asking for her because she has done so well for me. So what's in the box is a pre-printed package to send anything back that you don't want, and then you get your note from your stylist. And I do have Tammy, and it looks like I do have 8 items in this one as well. So here is the bundle. There are supposed to be 8 things in here, so I'm excited to see what is inside. So the first thing in here is from Letty and Me, textured short sleeve cardigan in off-white, size medium. So I do like that little bit of texture, and I think this is a good spring transitioning. And then next up is something from Market and Spruce, the Amado cargo barn jacket in indigo. So this is one of the things I do remember keeping from the preview, so I like that. And then next is Evolution by CYRUS, Crewneck ribbed stripe sweater. And it says in white, but that's like a navy and a white stripe. Next is from 41 Hawthorn, Louisa lightweight wool 3/4 sleeve cardigan in pink. So I like this color pink. Next are Skies Are Blue Nidi knit open front blazer in pink. That has a little bit of a design, almost like a herringbone design. I do like the Skies Are Blue blazers, and I like the ones that are not lined, that are more of a knit style because they're just a little bit more casual. Next up is from Liverpool, pull-on wide leg crop pants in navy, size medium. These feel really nice. What material are these made out of? Because they feel really nice and smooth. So they have modal in them. So there's 52% modal, 39% polyester, and 9% elastic. So that's why these feel really nice. And then this looks like the same thing in red. So these are the Liverpool pull-on wide leg crop pants in red, size medium. So maybe she's trying to see which color that I like best. And then this is from Studio Blue, boa high rise, elasticized, utility soft, wide leg in navy. So 2 pair of navy pants. So we're gonna have to see because I'm not getting 2 pair of navies, even though one is a crop and one is a regular length. There's a little bit of repetition in here. So let's just try everything on and see how it looks. So here's the first outfit. This is that striped sweater, sleeveless top, and I think it fits pretty fitted, but it does have, some room and stretch. These are the Liverpool pull-on wide leg crop pants, but as you can see, they're not too cropped on me. They're almost like right at the ankle, skimming it. So not too much of a crop style, but these do feel really nice. I like that modal that they're made out of. This, I think, is the only top that I have. So I'll probably just keep it on with the layering pieces because I know that in her note, she stated she was trying to find some layering pieces for the spring transitioning. So this is what I'll just use as a base. So then I thought I would try this Letty and Me cardigan. It's that textured cardigan. You can see it up close. That has a little bit of texture to it. So I tried this first without anything under it, and it started gapping. So I am gonna have to wear this as a cardigan if I decide to keep it. It feels a little tight. It kind of feels tight down here at the hip area as well. But these pants are super comfortable, and I'm not quite sure if I like this strap top or not. I'm not really into strap tops. So this cardigan is from Letty and Me, textured short sleeve cardigan off-white, $49. The top is from Evolution by CYRUS, Crewneck ribbed striped top in white, $55. And then the bottoms are from Liverpool pull-on wide leg crop pant in red, $109. So next up is going to be this cardigan in that pink color, and it's got some nice buttons. It is a 3/4 sleeve, so perfect for transitioning. And then these are the Liverpool pants in the navy. And I think I like the navy a little bit better just because of the fact that I think I'll get more use out of the navy. I like how lightweight they feel, how stretchy they are. So this cardigan is from 41 Hawthorn. It's the Louisa lightweight wool 3/4 sleeve. It does feel pretty nice. And it is $88. And then of course the pants are $109 because they're just like the red ones. They're from Liverpool. So here's the next pair of navy pants, and between the two navy pants, I definitely like the other ones better because these are a little bit tight in the thigh for me. They don't stretch as much. The other had that elastane, so it was nice and stretchy. This is a pull-on style as well. It has a drawstring, side pockets, and it does have a little bit of elastic in the waist, but that's not the problem. The problem's right here in the thigh area where I carry a lot of weight. So it's kind of pulling and tagging and feeling a little bit tight there. And I think these are supposed to be a crop style too, but of course they're hitting me at the same spot. And then this blazer is a really nice 3/4 sleeve blazer. I do like to get 3/4 sleeve blazers because a lot of time long sleeve are just too long for me. So these were almost like a long sleeve for me. And I like this textured detail. It's just like an open front. So I do kind of like this, and I love pink and navy together. So I might pair this with those crop pants for a really cute look. So this blazer is from Skies Are Blue, the Nidi knit open front blazer, $79. And then the bottoms are from Studio Blue, the boa high rise elasticized utility pant in navy, $78 for these. So these are a little bit cheaper than the Liverpool, but they don't feel as good. So here's the last thing, it's this cargo jacket. And I do know that cargo jackets are going out or already out, but I don't care. I wear what I like. And I like these. This one is a really pretty, like almost like a denim color, but it's that utility style jacket, that cargo jacket. I like the side pockets. A lot of cargo jackets have the top pockets, and it does have that drawstring to cinch to kind of give it that more fitted look. And I do like the way that this looks with navy. So I kind of do like this jacket. So this jacket is from Market and Spruce, the Amado cargo jacket in indigo. Oh my gosh, this one must be on a clearance because it's a $33.97. Wow. So I've got 8 pieces in this fix. The total is $600.97, which I knew it would be a little bit pricier than some of my other fixes because she did put 2 Liverpool pants in there. So if you buy at least 5, you get the 25% discount, which would take $150 off, making the subtotal $450.73, which I didn't have a styling fee because they did waive the styling fee because I did back-to-back boxes. So that is what the price for all 8 items, if I picked at least 5 of them and got the 25% discount off everything, then it would be $450 for all 8 items. So let's kind of break it down, and I'll tell you what I'm really liking. I do like this cargo jacket, especially when I looked at the price, and it's $33.97, so it's on a sale. So these pants I am going to return because of the fact that they're a little bit tight and not as comfortable here in the leg for me. And then the top here, I don't really care for the stripes, so I'm gonna send it back. It's $55, I'm gonna be sending it back as well. And then the off-white short sleeve cardigan, it felt a little tight kind of in the sleeves for me, and it did definitely gap here, so it kind of didn't meet as much in the front, so I don't think it was as flattering, so I'm gonna send it back. And then as far as the 2 Liverpool pants, I think I'm gonna keep the navy because I like the way those feel, and I think I'll get a lot of use out of the navy because they're just that casual feel, and I feel like I'll wear them so much in spring and in summer. And then the pink cardigan, I just didn't really care for it. It was nothing special, so I'll probably be sending it back too because it was $88 because it's got that wool blend. So that was pretty pricey for a cardigan, so I'll be sending that one back. And then I'm a little bit torn on the blazer. So I know I'm definitely gonna keep the Liverpool navy, this cargo jacket, and then I think maybe the Skies Are Blue pink blazer. What would you keep from this fix? And guys, do you think that the utility jacket is over, the cargo style utility jacket? I know it's been around forever. It's supposed to be one of those like timeless pieces, but I know everybody is saying those are going out of style, but I still like them. Do you still wear your utility jackets, or did you never like them to begin with? I'd love to know your thoughts. And then I would also love for you to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and then also consider hitting that subscribe button because I do weekly videos on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. Until next time, have a wonderful day.